Monica from Lingopie. This is my dad. Hi.
Oi.
And we are on a road trip. And as you know, Brazil is huge, so to cross the country it can take days. And this is the top useful words you need for a road trip in Brazil. So before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on language learning by Lingopie. And yeah, bora, let's go. Cair na estrada, to hit the road. Usually we can say cair na estrada or pegar a estrada, but if I translate to you cair na estrada, literally it will be like to fall on the road, and it doesn't make sense, but the expression is to hit the road. Rodovia e estrada são a mesma coisa?
Bom, aqui no Brasil a gente chama estrada, não mais estrada de terra, rodovia mais asfaltada, mas eu acho que é a mesma coisa.
A rodovia é a highway?
É isso.
Rodovia, highway.
É.
E estrada é road. Direita e esquerda. Right and left. Em 400 metros, vire à direita. 400 meters, turn right. Em 3 quilômetros, vamos virar à esquerda. In 3 kilometers, we will turn left. Esquerda, esquerda. É. A gente já tá chegando? Are we there yet? Dad, are we there yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Ainda não. Desvio, detour. Aqui a gente tem um desvio. Here we have a detour. Tem mais lá na frente? Mochila. Backpack. Preciso pegar minha mochila. I need to grab my backpack. Ponte. Bridge. Vamos cruzar a ponte. We're gonna cross the bridge. O Rodonel. Roundabout. E a gente acabou de sair do Rodonel, né? We just left the roundabout. Faixas. Lanes. Esta via tem 3 faixas. This road has 3 lanes. Multa por velocidade. Speeding ticket. Ah, mas ninguém fala passeio acima do limite, né? Normalmente a gente conversando. Peguei uma multa.
A gente já tá chegando. Are we there yet?
Vai, já tá chegando?
Ainda não.
O que mais que a gente tem que saber da estrada?
Gas station.
Posto de gasolina. Gas station.
Vamos parar no próximo posto. We're gonna stop in the next gas station. Because I need to pee. Eu preciso fazer xixi. Ai, um banheiro. Restroom. Posto de combustível is a gas station. So if you're looking for a gas station, it can be posto de gasolina or posto de combustível. Encher o tanque. To fill the tank. Different from US, here in Brazil, our gas station is not self-service. So you are not allowed to do the thing with your car. You need to wait for someone who works there to help you. There the guy is filling the tank, and my dad is just waiting to pay.
Oficina mecânica.
Workshop. Se você tiver algum problema com o seu carro, procure uma oficina mecânica. If you have any problem with your car, look for a workshop. Para-brisa? Para-brisa is this front window that I don't know how we call in English. But yeah, in Portuguese we call it para-brisa. By the way, if you watch it until here, please drop in the comments how do you call the front window of a car? Because I really don't remember. Bye. Bye. Já tá chegando?
Acidente.
Accident.
Há um trecho com engarrafamento de 21 minutos causado por um acidente em BR-101.
Aconteceu um acidente a 40 quilômetros daqui. An accident happened 40 kilometers from here. And I think you're gonna stay here for a while. If you wanna talk about a car crash, it depends on the region. Acidente, everybody will understand, independent of the region. But if you go to the extreme south of Brazil, you can say peixada, uma peixada de carro. Batida de carro, peixada de carro. Acidente de carro. Motorista, driver. Let's talk about some verbs. My dad was driving, but now he's sleeping. Meu pai estava dirigindo, agora ele está dormindo. As you can see over there. Emergência, emergency. You need to ask for help, socorro. Insurance, which in Portuguese is seguro. Você vai ligar para o seguro. You're gonna call the insurance. Ambulância. Ambulance. E agora? Já tá chegando? Não?
Vai dormir, guria.
Atalho. Shortcut.
Estamos pegando um atalho. We're taking a shortcut.
Vire à direita na rua Marcos Roberto Fernandes.
Acho que pelo menos 13 minutos. Pneu.
Tire.
Pneu furado.
Flat tire. The expression is, o pneu furou, we got a flat tire. Literally, it would be, the tire got pierced.
Borracharia. Tire shop.
Place where you go to fix your tire when it's flat. Borracha is rubber, which is the material of the tire. It is borracharia, as we have in cafeteria. Cafeteria. It would be the same logic. Pedágio. Toll. Pedágio à frente.
Facilite o troco.
If you like this video, consider visiting Lingopie.com. There you can find over 1,500 shows in several languages. You can watch them with dual subtitles, use our quiz, flashcards, and so much more. You can also book private lessons with our tutors and improve your experience on language learning. So I'll leave the link so you can give it a try. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.